What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't recorded in quite some time, but your girl is back, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create this massive hair growth treatment. And not only is this great for your hair growth, this is awesome for getting rid of dandruff also. So if y'all didn't see my previous video where I harvest this ginger, definitely go and check it out. It's very satisfying. I was having such a good time just watching this harvesting of the ginger, so definitely go and check out that video. So the first thing I do is I go ahead and peel the ginger. Some fun facts about ginger. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to your scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thin hair. So you can use this as a leave-in spray. You can also add oils such as coconut oil or jojoba oil into this mixture, but I like to keep it simple. And today I'm just going to be doing ginger and clove, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, so watch the video to the very end. Everything's changing, I promise you're not crazy. You're right where you're supposed to be, so darling. And as y'all know, one of the most common scalp problem is dandruff, and guess what? Ginger is the answer to all of that. Ginger has antiseptic properties that helps in getting rid of dandruff. So you can take this exact mixture, you can also mix it with a little olive oil and a dash of lemon, and there you have it, a nice get rid of dandruff DIY. I'll probably do that in another video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll apply it to my hair so that y'all can see exactly how I use it. So after I chop the ginger up, I'm gonna give it a nice little blend. Ever wonder what it would be like for someone on your side to be like when the dark is strong and you can't hold on? Just remember we're in this together. Never forget your dreams, even when it ain't easy. The world's not ready, so darling, come and dance with me. Everything's changing, I promise you're not crazy. You're right where you're supposed to be, so darling, come and dance with me. What it would be like for someone on your side to be like. You are not alone, you can always come home, baby, it's okay, just let me say. So using a cheesecloth, I'm just gonna strain it out. Just remember we're in this together. Never forget your dreams, even when it ain't easy. The world's not ready, so darling, come and dance with me. Everything's changing, I promise you're not crazy. You're right where you're supposed to be, so darling, come and dance with me. I added the clove, and I'm gonna let this sit for 24 hours before I use. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.
We're in this together. Never forget your dreams, even when it ain't easy. The world's not ready, so darling, come and dance with me. Everything's changing.